Would you believe that chasing the highest dividend yields could actually destroy your wealth? In this video, we'll uncover why your hunt for dividends might be leaving you empty-handed. Dividends are regular payments made by companies to their shareholders from their profits. These payments can provide a steady income stream for investors. There are several factors that can affect when and if you receive your dividends. Let's start with timing. There are three important dates related to dividend payments: the ex-dividend date, the record date, and the payment date. Understanding these dates is crucial for managing your dividend investments effectively and ensuring you don't miss out on expected payments. The ex-dividend date is the cutoff for dividend eligibility. If you buy the stock before this date, you'll receive the upcoming dividend. The record date, typically one business day after the ex-dividend date, when the company checks its records to identify eligible shareholders. Finally, the payment date is when the dividend is actually distributed to shareholders, usually a few weeks after the record date. Next, it's important to understand that not all companies pay dividends. Some companies, particularly younger, growth-focused ones, choose to reinvest their earnings back into the business instead of distributing them to shareholders. Both strategies have their merits, but only dividend payments provide immediate cash to investors. Even among companies that do pay dividends, the frequency of payments can vary. While quarterly payments are most common, some companies pay monthly, semi-annually, or annually. Knowing your company's dividend schedule is crucial to avoid disappointment or confusion about missing payments. Sometimes your dividends might be present but not visible in your account. This can happen with dividend reinvestment plans. These programs automatically use your dividends to purchase additional shares of the stock. While this can be beneficial for long-term growth, it might lead you to believe you haven't received your dividend when in fact it has been reinvested. Different brokerage accounts handle dividends in different ways. Some might default to reinvestment, while others deposit the cash directly into your account. It's important to check your account settings to ensure they align with your preferred dividend strategy. Companies can also reduce or suspend their dividend payments, especially during challenging financial times. This is why it's crucial to stay informed about your investments by monitoring company news and financial reports. Lastly, administrative delays can sometimes occur. The processing or posting of dividends to your account might take longer than expected. Understanding these factors can help you transition from a confused investor to a knowledgeable dividend strategist. Keep track of important dates, understand company policies, verify your account settings, and stay informed about your investment's financial health. If you found this information helpful and want to dive deeper into dividend investing, make sure to check out our post in the blog. There, you'll find even more valuable insights, including detailed explanations of dividend metrics, sector analysis, and strategies for building a robust dividend portfolio. In there, you'll take your dividend investing knowledge to the next level. If you found this information helpful, share it with other investors who might be experiencing similar confusion about their dividends.